happy you're here with me to present the Loft Sails Switchblade 2018. This design has been very successful for Loft Sails over the years. It's managed to win a lot of surf tests. I don't know how many, but it's in the website. This is our 3-cam performance slalom sail. It's got a lot of the curves that animate the blade are worked into the Switchblade, but it's in a user-friendly package. One less cam, narrower mast pocket. Still has the blade mast pocket construction. We've got heavier materials in the foot, the luff, the leech, lighter materials in the center. The monofilm window panel and the upper body panels are 5mm. We have the new Dacron head panel, which is roller friendly for the sail bag. And the design package results in comfortable performance on the water, no?
Yes, I'm not that technical, but I just want to say I just love the sails. And especially that it's just 3 cams and it's really light and you don't have this big mast pocket for me. So, really nice sail.
Switchblade 2018.